So let me ask you, which is the brokerage platform you are using for trading purpose? Which one you people are using right now? You can type in the chat. Zerodha. Okay. So we have multiple platforms. We have Zerodha, Sharekhan. We have a done good platform. We have the 5 years. So we have multiple brokering houses right now. So I do trading in Zerodha, and also I do trading in Sharekhan. Sharekhan has a desktop application also. It is one of the good application for trading as well as analyzing the chart. Jira is also very good one for web applications, very fast. Now Dun also really doing good, and their platform is the interface is very fast. Can you see my screen? I am on the Dun platform.
Yes.
Okay, great. So as when you open the account, like any kind of brokerage houses, they give you a trading terminal also, and you get a trading account and you get a demat account, right? So right now, before getting into the chart pattern, support, resistance, everything. So let me explain you how chart looks like. This is application called as a trading view. Trading view is a open platform, and we use it for analyzing the chart. Anybody can use it. It's a free account is available. And let me take an example here. For example, I'm used here. I'm open the Maruti stocks. How do we open? Just you log in into the your trading view account, and you get this interface. I'll show you. So here we have, when you open your account in trading view is just for analyzing purpose. We don't buy or sell, do anything here because it's a platform. We have to connect with your brokerage platform. But anyway, you have another platforms. They also give very good platform. You can directly do the selling, buying, everything over there. But here just we do analyze the stocks. So when you log in into this trading view account, you get a products here. If you go to the super chart, you get a charts. Okay. So let me remove all these indicators, everything. Okay. So now this is a very plain chart, what you are seeing right now on the chart. And when you open, probably it will be in a line chart. It will be made look like this. So basically, when we analyze any chart, we use certain chart patterns. Chart types actually. There are different chart types are available. This is called as line chart, and it creates based on the closing basis. For example, I'm taking here AU Small Finance Bank, and if I move my cursor here on 23rd, okay, if I move my cursor here, and it's showing the closing price 625.80. The stock closed under that price. The same way, each and every closing point, it will keep connecting, and it will create a line here. Okay, so this is called as a line chart. Okay, so you can see the chart momentum. This is a daily chart. You can see a D. D means daily chart. And you can change the time frame also here. Okay, so like a weekly, monthly, different time frames we can change, and you can see how it is behaving in those time frames. Okay, and we have a candlestick chart here. So I use candlestick chart. Everybody use candlestick charts for analysis purpose because it's very clear. We can see the behavior of the stocks and behavior of the price on charts. So I just click on this one, it will turn into candles. So it look like a candles. That is why it's called as a candlestick chart patterns. Okay. So now, whatever you are seeing here is right side. This is the price. This area. This is a price bar. This particular area. This is all prices. Okay. So you can even change this format according to your view. And I'll add one more indicator here. That's called as value. By default, you get a value in the chart. Each and every chart has a price and value. Okay. So that is a basic and primary parameter of the stock prices. Based on these two things, one is volume, one is price. All the other analysis will be done technically. So all the other indicators are created and all the other analysis also done. So this is price and this is date. You can see a date 2024, March, April, May, June, July, September. And this is today's chart. This is today's candle. Okay. If I mark here, this is the today's candle. And today's means what? On closing basis, like let me go to the daily. Friday candle will be this one. This is the Friday candle. Okay, because Saturday, Sunday we have a holiday, and Friday this is the candle is created. Okay, fine. And this is current market price. We call it CMP 625 rupees 0.80. This is okay. You can see any charts. Just open a chart. You see the price in this area. You see the volume in this area. Okay. Let me go back to the PPT.
Just to add value here, one is the indicator called Trader's Line Enhanced Volume.
Come again, please. I could not get
Trader's
you.
Enhanced Volume.
Uh-huh.
That is more good in giving you the right volume spike as compared to the inbuilt volume spikes shown by you in the last slide.
So it's called as a what? Enhanced volumes.
Go to Trading View. It's go to Indicators. Trader TRADERLIONS.
Trader Lion, right?
Trader Line Enhanced.
You got it. I got it. I'll come to that actually. Like no. So as of now, I am talking only very very basic. At a basic level, what we see here is a what we can say raw volumes. We don't put anything extra. What exactly the volume happened in this, it is showing here. This is how it looks in any other platform also. When you open any chart, by default you get this value. Okay. Like people are using Zerodha, people are using Kite, Dun, Fire, Sharecan, anywhere you go, normal volumes you get here and the price you get here, right? So we do fair enough analysis on this. As Sachin told, Trader Lion volume, I'll come to that. That is one of the very good volume.
I want to add here, only Dhan is giving you a integration with the Trading View, where you can do the trading on the Trading View chart on the options as well.
Yeah.
What is the one option page coming up with respect to each particular strike rate? Well, maybe you are telling me forward.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you as a pointer, that is also good while doing the live trading in the market for options.
Yeah. Yes. Now Trading View is giving multiple options. Then, as you told, and 5 years also. Like I think, yeah. I'll explain you all this later. Like what is support and resistance. Navida asked, teach me the support and resistance, how to find out support and resistance, trend lines, chart pattern, levels, price action. I'll come to one by one. Probably today's session, I may cover very, very basic and very, very fundamental aspect of the stock market terminologies. In coming classes, in case if you're interested, I'll continue with all these topics. Okay. So let me explain you how it works as a candles, as I told you, right? When you take any candle, since many beginners are there, it's very important for you people. Each and every candle has 4 key points. One is open, one is close, high and low. So what is open? Open means when the market is opened, at what price market is opened. Okay. Means let us say one stock is opened at 100 rupees. When market opened at 915, at what price it is opened? 915, that is called as open. And high means the entire day market will go up and down, up and down. Finally, at the closing time, what was the high? It reached. Low means on the same day, what was the low? It formed. Closing means on last 30 minutes, 3 o'clock to 3:30. That will be done on based on the average. Right. So last here, one important point here is last trading price is different. Last closing price is different. That I'll explain you in any other class. But anyway, now if you see any price closed, what is the closing price? It will show here. Okay. That is called as a close. That's it. For example, Maruti closed on Friday, 12,302 rupees, 0.30 paise. This is closing price. That's it. Okay. So when I hover mouse on this particular candle, this is doji candle, what you are seeing here. If I move my mouse here, you get a information open, high, low, close here itself. You can see here, this area. Observe here. Okay. So you get the details here. When I move my mouse, it will showing open, high, low, close. Market is opened at 12,300. High is 12,300 and 12,375. Low is 12,254. Close is 12,300. Okay. So that is called the open, high, low, close. And you see the first one. What you are seeing right now here is this area. This is opened here. This is closed here, right? So when market opened at the lower price and closed at the higher price, it will be a, what is it? Bullish candle, right? This is bullish candle. And here in this candle, if you see, market is opened here, closed is at a lower price. This is called as a what we call as bearish candle, correct? So bearish candle. This is called as a bearish candle. So this is bullish and here this is bearish. That is the reason you can see the difference here. Open is above, low is down. I quickly move to the next candle. As I told you, this is candlestick format. In that format, when market is opened here, closed at the higher level, it will be in a green color. And market is opened at a higher price, closed on the lower price, it is called in a red color. Okay. So I'll explain you further more into this one, but let me take you the topic here. As I told you, what is support and resistance and why market will react over there. Okay, one point I'd like to explain you today. So now, what is support and resistance? As I told you, market will not go in a straight line, right? So market will go ups and downs. If you see here, market, let us say if we started here, it went up, fell down, again went up, fell down, again went up, right? So now, this point, okay, so since market, I'm considering this point is market is going up, coming back, and again at the same point, it is going up again. Means it is taking the support in this area. What I say support, because for example, this is at 100 rupees, okay? Market went to 110 rupees. Again, it came back to 100 rupees. Now, if it is going upside again, we say that this is called as support. Okay. And again, market will come here, 110. People will sell again, market will fall down again. And third time, again, it is taking the support here. This is called as a support. Market went up again, and right now it will go up or down, we'll see. But this area considered as a resistance. Okay. So consider like a support as a, what I can say, it's like a floor. For example, if you put a ball on the floor, ball will jump from the floor, right? How hard you hit the ball to the floor, it will go and hit the ceiling also. Consider the floor as a support, ceiling as a resistance. Okay. So the same way price, how hard the price will hit to the ground, that will be, if it is a very potential to hold that pressure, it will jump upside again. So that is called as support, right? So again, as I told you, resistance is like a ceiling, upper area where the market is coming down. That is where the sellers are sitting. Another way I can also say, this area is also called as a demand zone, and this is supply. What is demand and supply? See, stock market is all about demand and supply. When do you think, let us say, for example, demand means whenever there's a product, people are ready to buy that product. Product is really good, and more people are ready to buy the product. Demand will increase. That is called as a demand, right? So in rainy season, vegetable prices will increases. Why? Demand is more. Egg prices will shoot up. Chicken prices will increase. Why? And especially on the rainy season or cold times, price will increase because demand will be more for that product, right? So like that. So whenever demand is more, what happens? Price will go up. But in summer season, Obviously, who will buy the umbrella in the summer season? You tell me, right? So the demand for the umbrella probably less, right? So people may not eat much eggs and chickens because of heat on the summer season. So obviously, price will come down. Since supply is more, there is no demand at all. That area is called as a supply zone. Okay, so that is what we call as a support and resistance. How do we mark in the chart? I'll explain you that. Let me go to the chart. Let me take the NMDC. I'll take weekly chart. So let me remove all my. Okay, see. Now this is NMDC chart. Okay. Let me take this point. I am on weekly chart right now. This is a weekly chart. I can take even daily chart also. So right now I am into weekly chart. Okay. So assuming that price is up to this level. Okay. 121 rupees. Okay. Assuming that price is at this level right now. Okay. This is on 2017. Anyway. Okay. So what I'll do? So right now, this candle, if you see, if I zoom out, zoom in. So this is looking very, very strong and bullish candle because it is green color, very strong. People are buying. Probably in this week it went up. Okay. Now let me mark here. From where the market went up? From this level, correct? From current market price, look at your left side on the downer area. For example, the market is going up. From current market price, look at the left side, this area, where the rally is started. This is called as a rally. If you observe here, this is where market is turned out because market was falling here, market is coming down, and it turned out here upside. Can you see here? Correct. So I got a point here. This particular area, market is turned out, and in this area, I can say yes, there are buyers were active in this area, and that is the reason market went up from this point. Okay, what I'll do in this area, I'll just mark a line to this point. Okay, so I marked here. As I know now, right now it is a 121 rupees. I can buy either 121 rupees. I can wait for some time. I know market went up from here. Probably it may come back to that area in future days. I want to buy, but I will wait and I will buy it. Right now it is at 121 price. We'll see what happens. Okay, market is coming down. Market is came at the same rate. At what price? 79 rupees, right? Now let me mark here one more line, this area. You can see here, you know that earlier time, since market was like this, you know very well, market fell from this area, right? This is the area market was falling. This is the area market was turning out. Right now, again, market reached to the same stage, same area, this area. Probably market can come down. There's no guarantee that market will come down. Probably it can come down. Okay. If it is reacted, then we can consider this area as a resistance. This is already proved as a support because market went up from here. Now I want to see whether it is a resistance or not. Okay. Let's see. Market is confirmed that yes, market is coming down now. And that area considered as a resistance now. You can see here, it came to 279 rupees now. Okay. Now, whether the market will go up in this area, I don't know, but still there is a buying at this area. Probably it may go up, may not go up, but this is the area where market was holding. So this was a support earlier. Can you see here what happened? So at the same area where earlier market was holding this area, Same area my price came. Probably 1 week it may be a little bit come down, but still at the same this particular area, market turned out. Now again it is considered as a support is strong, and yes, it is holding right now. Since it is holding, we can consider as the support. Can you see here? Okay, now till here market went up, again it was breaking down now. Now you see what happens there in the same area. Now you see here this area where market was taking support, it is broke down and it spent some time. Again it went up, tried to went up from the same area, and almost in this area it was there. Okay, so finally it went from this area only. Again there is some rally came here. Okay, so this line is somewhere it is acting like a buying area. You can see here, if you see the consolidation area, there are some selling came, again it went up, again selling came, again it went upside. So this area right now it was acting like a support, but till this stage you can consider, yes, this is a support and this is a resistance. By default, for example, in case if it comes here, assuming that if the price comes here again second time, if it comes here, obviously we know there is a resistance here, right? Probably we can expect one more selling, but it came early, right? So early they started selling in this area. Okay, now let's see here. You can see again. Now the area where we marked earlier, there was a support here, there is a support here, there was a breakdown. I'll come to this, what is breakout and break down. But right now, just for your understanding, I'm telling you, wherever the market is taking the reversals, we can say reversals, price is trying to go up, not necessary it will go up, it's trying to go up. That area we called as a support. Okay. Now, when market break the support, since it is holding here, it was holding here, it broke one time, first time it broke, try to go up, again it broke, try to go up, again it broke down, means it is becoming weak. It means earlier support was strong, now it was becoming weak. Since this is weak, it was broke down here. If I let me remove this drawings. So this area, you can see here, earlier market is supporting into this here, taking support at this area. It went up from here, it tried to go up from here, now it broke. Means once the support line broke, means the sellers are strong, they broke the support line. Now this is weak, this become weak. Still it tried to go up, second time also it broke, right? So this is also, right now it is weak, right? This area. This is called as a support. Okay. Resistance, obviously, as I told you, wherever the market is going upside and not trying to break that area, but could not break, and again it's coming back from the same area, that is called as a resistance. Okay. So this is called a support and this is called a resistance. Any questions here? I'll take you another example also. If you have any question, you can ask me. Let me go to another question, another stock. Yes, this area. Okay. Let us say here I don't see much here. Let me go to some other stock. Yeah, this one. You can see here. I'll draw one line here. I'll draw one more line here. Okay. In this stock, what price is doing? How price is behaving? You just observe here. Let us say market at this area. Okay. So price went up. Price again came back into this area. Again trying to go upside. Yes. It went up, right? So now market is, right now this is not a resistance. After this red candle, when you see this red candle, I'll remove this one. Right now, I don't see any resistance here. Resistance only till here only, because it was falling down here, right? So now I don't see any resistance. When I see the red candle like this, I'll mark one line here. Because market is coming down from this area. Okay, now this is a support. Because why this is a support? Market is went up from this area. You can see here, this is a fall. Probably 3-6 weeks. it fell down and it went up, right? So that is the reason I'm marking here. And this is the resistance. I'm marking this area. Okay. Now it fell down again, 987. Again, market went up. So I can say that this is support. Okay, because first time it worked out, second time also it's working out. Market is going upside. Now let me see whether it will react from here or not, because this is the resistance. It should come down from this point. So it came early, little bit. See, now what I can say here, see, now when second time it came, again its selling is started. So this is called as a resistance, right? Now after that, price is broke the resistance. So when support is become resistance, when resistance becomes support, I'll explain you in the coming classes. So today I explained you till now basic terminologies, what is support and resistance, and we have a couple of more topics to cover up, and I'll explain in the coming classes. Okay. So right now you understand any stock, you take it for a practice purpose. You just open a stock, you see where the market prices went up and where the market prices reversed. Just mark it, observe how it behaves in that area. Okay. You can see here. Okay. So this area. So right now again coming back, right? So let me draw here another level. See, when market came to this area, selling, selling, selling. Correct? So this area there is a sellers. At least we know this is the area of selling, because this is where it market fell down. So you can easily identify support and resistance like this. And when support become resistance, when resistance will become support, that I'll explain you in the next class with a couple of more examples. Okay, any questions?
Sir, next class you will be taking or Vinayak sir will be taking?
Actually, I planned only for today's class. Probably by next class also I will take it in case if you are interested. Otherwise, Vinayak sir will continue. Because today Sunil sir went on emergency leave. That is the reason I have taken this class. Okay. There was some medical issues.
My son is not well, I think.
Yeah, his son is not feeling well. That is the reason today he was not available. So I have taken the class. So my main topic is basically the option trading. I didn't went to till option trading. What is option? How options works? Basically, what is in the money option, out of the money option, at the money options? How option premium behaves? For example, if I want to say there are basically intrinsic value, time value, because when we buy the options, right? So we do trading in options. When we buy the premium, probably premium may be costly, it may be cheaper. We don't know. We will buy it. So, but how do we identify that, right? Like technically, how do we understand what is going on under the options? So that is my main topic. But since there are many basic people today, basic level are there, so I want to explain them also, right? Because they don't know anything about basics, then it's difficult for them to understand advanced also. When we talk about options, equity, when you understand equity, how equity market works. So as I told you, there are three asset classes: equity, commodity, and currency. Options is a derivatives of equity. So we call it as a derivative markets. Futures and options, both are derivative markets. Equity is the main market, means we call it as a spot price. Based on the equity asset class, options will be derived. Why it is derived, why people are doing options, what is the purpose, I'll explain you in the coming classes. Okay, that was my main idea of the session.
Right.
Okay, so any questions? If you have any questions,
personally, do you trade monthly expiry more often, or weekly, or a daily expiry more often?
Can you come again? You were asking?
So personally, do you trade the weekly expiry more often, or monthly expiry more often, or the daily ones? Which kind of expiry dates do you normally trade?
See, normally, if I trade in Bank Nifty and Nifty, I go with the weekly options. Stocks, obviously, monthly options. because stocks anyway don't have weekly options. We have to take the monthly options only. But index, I do trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. I do weekly options.
And are your trades more towards the daily exposure, means you want to get in and get out on a daily basis, or you tend to keep your options open for a week or month and then kind of take a profit accordingly?
With respect to the stocks you are asking or index?
Yeah, with respect to both stock and indexes.
Okay. See, if I get into the stocks, especially index, I do intraday trading in index. So I don't carry forward, do carry forward. In case if I want to do carry forward, I should be in a profit and I will hedge my positions. I'll not take carry forward naked positions because I don't know, you know very well, right? Options will melt very fast. There is something called as a time decay. So options, we cannot afford a lot of time decay in that. And we will carry forward with the edges in index. But in stock options, yes, I do take naked trading. I will buy the options and hold. I'm talking buyer perspective, not a seller perspective. So selling is something different. Buying is totally different in options, right? So you people may be a buyers. I don't know how many of you sell the options. How many of you sellers in the option trading?
I do both.
Okay. So if you are doing both, obviously, when you do the selling, you should have the spreads. You cannot hold a naked option, naked selling and hold for next week. What you do? What if today?
Yeah, I'm open to spreads or covered call or covered cornelius.
I do spreads actually. I do spreads. I use straddles, special and triangle. I do edge my positions and I will hold. I use iron counter for that. I'll explain you. Probably other people may not aware these terminologies. Especially the sellers have the different strategy. Buyers has the different strategy. Both are not same. Okay. If you are a buyer, obviously I don't recommend to carry forward naked options. You should edge your position.
Having condor or butterflies or broken butterflies, open to that.
See, we will talk those in advanced classes. As you know, right? See, as I already told you, equity means you have only option of buying the stocks, holding for the future purpose. Then only you can make money. Either in a single day, you sell the stock in the morning, cover your short in the evening, close the trade, you get a profit or loss. But options has both the possibility, directional and non-directional trades. We call it as the directional, non-directional trades. It's also called as debit and credit spreads. So I do spreads only for that, but we will talk all those things in the advanced topic. Right now, since everybody don't understand every topic, so we will continue later also on this. Okay. So Navida has a question. What is your question,
Yes.
Navida?
Sir, I have two questions. One, I would like to know, do you know any option site for the US trading? Like, because right now it's only India, but I live in the US, so I'm actually interested in investing. So do you have any website or any suggestion that you can give me how to search that? That's the one question. The other question is that you guys have been discussing about the sellers and buyers. So what I used to understand, like one person is a buyer and seller. Like how come like I've been buying and buying and buying in stocks and making the profit, and how I'm been selling and selling. Like in order for me to sell, I have to buy something, right?
Yes.
So if I don't have anything, how can I sell it?
Yeah.
So that's
So,
what my
yeah. Good
understand.
question. Very
Yeah.
good question. As a beginner, it's really a very good question. See, now we have in front of you, there is a chart I opened. Let us say I opened the NMDC. Okay. This is NMDC chart. I'm talking about Indian market. So
Okay.
US market will come later. So I'll tell you. So let us say tomorrow market opens. I know my analysis says that market will go down. My analysis is telling that market will go down. I want to sell the stock. But in
Okay.
India, there is no permission to hold the stock which you already sold. For example, as you told, if I sell this stock, for example, I'll sell at this price. Okay. Now I know this is a resistance. Market came up, retest is there. This is a area where it's coming down. I totally agree. Trade here, it went up to go breakout, false breakout, came back. I see the pattern. I want to sell here. This is my confirmation. I will sell here. Okay. How long I will hold? Till the closing date. Means 3:15. For example, morning, if I sell at around 9:30 or 10 o'clock or whenever I get an entry, according to my setup, I will exit in the evening. I have to exit because in India we cannot hold a short selling for more than 1 day in equity. Okay. So in stocks in any stocks I cannot hold. I have to close. How do I sell if I don't have the stocks? See, there is an option. There is a permission by the exchange, NSE or BSE. They will allow you to sell the stock. How they will allow you? Based on the stocks available with your broker. For example, I have account with a broker. Let us say I have account with Jiroda or a Kite or a Dun or a Sharekhan. The broker, the broking house has a stocks with them. Based on the number of stocks he already holding, he will give me a permission to sell the stock. I will sell the stock, and by the time market closes, you should cover the stock. In case if you don't close the trade by the default, the broker himself will close the trade at a profit or loss, whatever it is. At 3:25, they will close the trade.
Okay.
That is the reason. Even though I don't have the stock in my account, I can sell.
I got it. Okay. A broker point I missed. Okay.
Yes.
So just to add here a point, this what he is telling is for equity shares in cash only. When you go in future and options, you have the option available from the stock market itself to sell the options and sell the futures as well, right? So in any direction, you can do the trading either in going forward direction by buying any future and option, or you can do the selling of future and option if you think the market will go down. It is applicable for both index and stock altogether, just as aspect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Futures and option, something totally different ball game. As I told you, we are talking about equity. Futures are traded because of certain purpose. Futures market is basically for let us say I'm invested around 10 crore rupees in Reliance. Okay. Let us say we invested 10 crore rupees in Reliance. What if already market went up from last 3 years? It's keep on going. There is a very good rally. Now I am under the profit right now. I know that probably market may crash, market may fell down. By that time, what I do, I'll go and sell the futures, right? Because of secure my investment. So what happens if I don't sell the future? Probably market may crash, market will what I can do the correction of 10-20%. So then Reliance will fall down. By the time if I sell the futures, I should get that benefit. My stocks, my portfolio is getting edged with the future. So that is the reason future market is there. But unfortunately, it's not the only reason people will sell the future. Nowadays, as I told you, right, we do the trading, right? Traders will do every day. They sell the future, they will buy the future, they'll cover their work, cover their contract for profit. So that's all trading. But fundamentally, it's for hedging purpose, securing your investment portfolio.
Okay.
Options also like that only, but we'll talk later on that. Again, that is another perspective is there. It's like insurance. I'll explain you that.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
So as you asked you, the US
Yes.
trading, see, Navita, I think since you are in US, you want to invest in a US market. Obviously, you can do it if you have an account in the US market. You need to open a brokerage account. From India, if I want to invest, we have a IND Money app. That is where I opened my account. From that app, we invest in the US market as Indians. But if you are NRI, you have all the documents from US, you can open your account in the any brokerage houses in US. I think you can invest and you can do the trading. For that, many applications are there. Many brokerage
Yeah, there are
houses are
a
there.
bunch of them. But,
Yeah, much
but
of-
where you are looking like this chart, I don't see them. Like there are like Acrons and then there is a Robinhood. There are different apps. So you can give them like you can provide them the money. They buy stocks on your behalf. They do.
Okay. I
So
understand.
that's what I was a little confused on. Most of the people are making just profit on this, but I would like to know
But
like how this.
you are in US and you have a US citizenship.
Yes.
Then you don't have to go. They don't have to buy behalf of you. Once you open your account, straight away you can invest or you can do the trading also. You have all the permission
They
to that.
basically provide you the, like let's say I'm a new person, so I don't know anything. So they will going to help me with that.
Okay,
That's
I
all.
So
understand.
that
That's
would have used to be there in India now, where we are investing money through somebody and through maybe anybody. Maybe
Yes.
BlackRock, maybe ICICI Bank,
Yes.
maybe HDFC Bank, any fund manager who is handling a big fund can invest on our behalf. We are just 0.001% of the portfolio in contributor, and he will invest basis the technical and fundamental study he's doing for the complete portfolio for the round the year. That's my understanding on this.
Yeah, so
yeah.
what they do, like you can just like spend like $500 or something like that. You will give it to them, and they will help you in investing, and they will help you to make profit on it. They will give you different thing like you want to sell. This is what is happening. Like they give you different suggestion, and you can buy and sell it. But the way you are looking at the charts right now, you have a full independence to buy, sell, whatever you feel like comfortable
Yes,
with.
yes.
That's what I was
So I
asking if you
will definitely.
know
I'm
anything
not
about.
sure. Definitely, there is another option also for that. As you told, we have that kind of setup. If I want to invest in Facebook, if I want to Meta, or if I want to do it in Tesla or somewhere, I have that kind
Yeah.
of setup. I cannot directly. I cannot invest. I have to go through some mediator. But I don't know. You are telling in a different story. But I will get back to you, Navida, because
So
I don't have
this
that
is the
information.
one of the things, like,
Okay, okay.
the people they have it. That's the one thing. I was wondering if you guys know something like this, the way you are doing it in India and you have this website and all that. That's what I was asking, like, how can I find?
Cryptos I did it actually. Cryptos I know, but I didn't know. I don't know how the
What should
straight
I search
away.
for? Like, if I go to the Google, let's say, what should I search for? Like, investment in stock market in US, like how I'm going to get into this.
See, we
Uh,
called as a full service brokers in India. Okay,
Full
so they are
service.
also full service brokers and discount
Okay.
brokers. Both they are called as a brokers. Okay, broking house.
Okay.
So you can search
Okay.
as a brokers. You get overall the brokers in US. But I will
Yeah.
have a couple of friends who is doing trading in US markets. I know them. I will ask them how do they do it because I didn't get into that. But I'll come back to you, Navida, on that.
Okay, okay, great. Thank you so very much. Appreciate it.
Whether you can find brokerages, as rightly said, there is Fidelity, E-Trade, even Robinhood and
See,
Webull have,
Fidelity,
in addition
yeah,
to
Fidelity
mobile
as
side, they
investment
have the,
bankers, they have, yes,
yeah, so they give all the chartings, and even
Fi-
Robinhood and Webull like apps. They also have their website and desktop application, which
check
will
out,
allow you to
check out
handle charts
Fidelity.
and
Earlier, I worked with the Fidelity only. I was working in the Fidelity. That time I was not supposed to take, so those days I closed my account. I left Fidelity 5 years before. Fidelity, I think, yeah, I remember they give the permission to open the account. You can try the Fidelity once. Others also, you can. I'll suggest you. I'll ask them
Okay.
somehow. I have some connection with them. I'll ask them how do they do it, and I'll suggest it.
Fidelity.
Interactive broker. I think one of my friend is doing through interactive broker
Okay.
who's a US citizen. So you can
Mhm.
try interactive brokers also.
active broker is much more advanced in fact allowing you to global
Mhm.
24
Okay. All infidelity.
the
I can
cheapest
see it
one.
now. Yeah.
Yeah. Webull allows you to start trading from 4:30 a.m. US time to market closure of 8:30.